Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to fix ear speaker problem in your device Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. In this device, if your speaker is not working, I'm going to tell you how to fix this issue. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new videos and stay updated. Let's get started.